So I'm here in Pokhara, and today I'm really excited because I get to go mountain biking. Now, I left my bike in Australia when I came traveling, so it's been about 2.5 months since I've had a ride, so I can't wait. Let's do this.
Let's begin now.
360.
Namaste.
I woke up this morning and I said, you know, instead of waiting for a good day to happen, you know, waiting around through ups and downs, you know, I just said, look.
We're gonna have a good day, and all my homies wanna ride today, and all these homies look fly today, and all we wanna do is get by today. Hey, we're gonna have a good
Alright, Pokhara Mountain Bike Center, we're here. Let's go.
day, and ain't nobody gotta cry today, 'cause ain't nobody gonna die today. Save that trouble for another day. Hey, we're gonna have a good day.
Hairline fresh, new cologne on. Feeling so good, change the color to my phone. Orange Kool-Aid, go good with Patron. No, hell no. It's still my ringtone free.
So the bikes are loaded up and we're on our way up the mountain for the day of downhill. Because I haven't ridden in a couple of months and I always like going down more than up, I decided to get the package where you get shuttled up the hills. So we're going to do 3 different tracks down and yeah, get driven up, so it's pretty much perfect really. Got a couple of riding buddies. We got Davis and Don in the front there, and yeah, looking forward to an awesome day of riding.
Car wash, had to clean up the Dodge. Give back when I can, just playing my part. Church folks had a fish fry, mustard, hot sauce.
All right, all geared up, ready to go. Time to hit this first trail.
And you know what about last night to hit the big 3. Bought some Air Force One, low tall G's, man, I'm loving BG.
Good day, and all my homies wanna ride today, and all these homies look fly today, and all we wanna do is get by today. Hey, we're gonna have a good day, and ain't nobody gotta cry today, 'cause ain't nobody gonna die today. Save that trouble for another day. Hey, we're gonna have a good day.
And I ain't fit to worry about what nobody say, 'cause I'm still above ground and that's the reason I pray. Got my car cleaned up, now I'm ready to play. Make a call to the stick, say I'm headed that way. Heard my cousin cooking out, I gotta get me a plate. Got this new outfit, ain't even out in the States, so I ain't speaking too soon, but it's a hell of a day. And the sticker got me sitting in a hell of a place. Got my stunner shades on and the grin on my face. New grill looks mean, but I swear I'm straight. In the hood showing love, so I'm A-okay. Hey.
Nice one. Nice one, man. All right, that was the first track, so back up the mountain to the next one. All right, round 2. Let's rock and roll.
Good day, and all my homies wanna ride today, and all these homies look fly today, and all we wanna do is get by today. Hey, we're gonna have a good day, and ain't nobody gotta cry today, 'cause ain't nobody gonna die today. Save that trouble for another day. Hey, we're gonna have a good
We
day.
might as well do exactly what the children say. Take the day off, hit the park and just hang. Barbecue, roll a few and put up the deuce. And if it's beef, put the piece down, throw up your dukes. It's time to change our ways so we can save the day. For the children's sake and make a better place to play. If it's all good, we got your coupe and grip your wood. And if you're riding dirty, like to split and blow you. But do it real big, exactly like a player should. Enjoy your 24, do your thing and rip your hood. The world is all yours, but still we all grind forever. In the day, the choice you make is really all fine.
Good day, and all my homies wanna ride today, and all these homies look fly today, and all we wanna do is get by today. Hey, we're gonna have a good day, and ain't nobody gotta cry today, 'cause ain't nobody gonna die today. Save that trouble for another day. Hey, we're gonna have a good day,
Namaste.
and all my homies wanna ride today, and all these homies look fly today, Save that drama for another day. Hey, we're gonna have a good day.
Right, that's the second trail done. That was so slippery. I don't think I've ridden anything quite that slippery before, but great fun. The only thing I'm having trouble with is the brakes are around the other way than what I'm used to. So my right hand is the back brake and my left hand is the front brake, which in those sort of situations where you're really trying to be really delicate with the brakes, just makes it a bit more challenging. But we got down in one piece. I think the only time I really nearly fell off was when I was actually pushing the bike and my shoes was sliding down the hill, but yeah, it's great fun. Now for the third and final. Alright, so trying to get to the next start point and we've come to a bit of a standstill, so I think we're gonna have to give her a little push.
If she want it, I'm gonna give it up. If she run it low, I'm gonna fill her cup. If it's spill, chill, I'ma clean it up. I'll be right here, cause she's enough. If she needed the money, I'ma stick you up. If she getting bored, I do some different stuff. Don't need anything, just keep it up.
Alright, third trail, let's go.
I'll be right here, cause she's enough. She wanna do the damn thing and I'm on her side. She opened up the wings and she gonna fly. She got no time for the fuss and fight. She does it right, she loves her life. She the one that put the kick in the drums. She the hot stove top when the winter comes. She hits the run, she can lift a ton. She gon' stick to the job and get it done. She hop out and push if the motor's dead. She gotta keep it moving with no regret. She's up in my head but never overstep. She let me know when it's time for us to go to bed. She's my lady, case closed. She want a baby so I gave her one of those. Belly getting big, look at the tits grow. She want a song so I wrote one and it goes. If she want it, I'm gonna give it up. If she run it low, I'm gonna fill her cup. If it's spill, chill, I'ma clean it up. I'll be right here cause she's enough. If she needed the money, I would stick you up. If she getting bored, I do some different stuff. Don't need anything, just keep it up. I'll be right here cause she's enough. She the one that you wanna grow old with. She gotta touch it, she wanna hold it. She gets focused, she got the dopest kiss. She don't need you to tell her, already knows it is. She makes me laugh till I'm on that floor. She don't ask why I adore. She like to travel, so we explore. She's seen everything, wanna see some more. She the opposite of selfish. She love house pets, she wanna help kids. She pulled me out my shell, fit tight like a belt. Now the suckers get jealous. Believe it, don't get sweeter. She gon' make me sweat like fever.
Alright, we're back where we started. That was awesome, so much fun. Would have killed for my riding shoes. These ones aren't the best. Didn't really stay on the pedals too well. And it would have been probably a bit easier in the more technical sections if the brakes had been what I'm used to. But other than that, awesome fun. Really good to get on a bike again and go for a ride. I'll go and fix them up and then have a bit of lunch. See what else this day has in store. Ciao.
Eat, so we went to Dominguez. She want a ring, got me measuring the fingers. If she want it, I'm gonna give it up. If she run it low, I'm gonna fill her cup. If it spill, chill, I'ma clean it up. I'll be right here cause she's enough. If she needed the money, I would stick you up. If she getting bored, I do some different stuff. Don't need anything, just keep it up. I'll be right here cause she's enough.